May I request everyone to please stand for a prayer. Okay, so good afternoon, class. Before you take your seats, can you pick up some pieces of papers on the floor and throw it in the trash can? Can you follow the right category for throwing your garbage, which is the biodegradable, non-bio, and the hazardous, okay? Thank you. So, can we make your rows and columns straight before we start our class? Thank you for your cooperation. By the way, my name is Miss Michelle Ayuk. I am from Lobok, Bohol, and I studied at Bohol Island State University, Bilar campus, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in mathematics. Okay? So, before we start, as I am your teacher in pre-calculus. So this subject is only taken for the science and technology, engineering, mathematics strand for senior high school. Okay? So first and foremost, I want you to welcome you all to our class / online class for pre-calculus school year 2021-2022. Okay? So, before we start, let us have first a recap. So, anybody who wants to share his or her a stock knowledge or lesson learned on our previous topic? Yes. Very good. Another. Okay, thank you. So we have now questions and clarifications about our previous topic. None so far. Okay. So before anything else, let us have first our learning objectives. Why is that so? So that we can have a goal on what topic we are going to tackle about, on what lesson we are going to teach. Okay. So first is you are going to illustrate systems of nonlinear equations. Second is determine the solutions to systems of nonlinear equations through substitution, elimination, and graphing. And of course, we are going to solve real-life problems involving systems of nonlinear equations. Okay. We have here solving systems of nonlinear equations. It is the system of equations where at least one of the equations is nonlinear when we say nonlinear equations. When we say solution, it is an ordered pair that satisfies each of the given equations. We have first the substitution method. Example, we are going to solve the system of nonlinear equations. First equation we have 2x squared plus y is equal to 5. Second equation is 2y is equal to 1. So, by the merits of substitution method, we have here y is equal to 1 half by using equation 2. We are going to solve one of the equations for one variable 2x squared is equal to 9 over 2. 2x squared over 2 is equal to 9 over 2 divided by 2. So, x squared is equal to 9 over 4. To find the value of y, we are going to take the square root of both sides. So, square root of x squared is equal to square root of 9 over 4. That is, x is equal to positive negative 3 over 2. So, step 3, we are going to solve. We have now the value of y and x, remember? Thus, when y is equal to 1/2, x is equal to positive negative 3 over 2. So, positive and negative 3 over 2 are 3 and 1/2 and 1/2 and negative 3 over 2 and 1/2 satisfy the original equations. So the first equation is we have 2x squared plus y is equal to 5. And we are going to substitute the value of x and y. So 2 times 3 over 2 squared plus 1/2 is equal to 5. Therefore, 3 over 2 squared, that will become 9 over 4. So 2 times 9 over 4 plus 1/2 is equal to 5. That's why this will become 10 over 2 is equal to 5. So 10 over 2 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Is it true or false? True. Very good. So in equation 1, we have 2x squared plus y is equal to 5 again. And then substitute the value of negative 3 over 2 and 1/2. 5 is equal to 5. Is it true or false? True. Very good. So that is in substitution method. How about in elimination method? So we have here an example. We are going to determine the solution to this system. We have the first equation, negative 3x squared minus y is equal to negative 11. And second equation is 3x squared minus 6y is equal to 18. By the merits of elimination method, we have here negative 3x squared minus y is equal to negative 11 and 3x squared minus 6y is equal to 18. Find a like terms that will become, we are going to cancel negative 3x squared and positive 3x squared. That will become 0. So we have now the remaining negative 7y is equal to 7. Negative 7y is equal to 7. Divide both sides by negative 7. The answer is negative 1. Therefore, the value of y is negative 1. So substitute the value of y. We will be using the first equation, negative 3x squared minus y is equal to negative 11. Again, what was the value of y? That was negative 1. So this will become negative 3x squared minus, substitute the value of y, which is negative 1, is equal to negative 11. So, manipulate. So, negative 3x squared, negative times negative, that is positive 1, is equal to negative 11. So, we are going to transfer positive 1 to the other side. We are going to combine like terms. Negative 3x squared is equal to negative 12 because negative 11 minus 1. So, our x squared has the coefficient which is negative 3. So, we are going to divide both sides by negative 3 in order to find the value of x. So, this will become x squared is equal to negative 4. If for us to get the value of x, we are going to take the square root both sides. So negative square root of x squared is equal to square root of negative 4. X is equal to positive negative 2. The solutions to the system are ordered pairs. By the merits of the elimination method are 2 and negative 1 and negative 2, negative 1. That is our ordered pair. Okay. Next, the third one is the graphical method. So let us have this example. Determine graphically the solution or solutions of the system of equations below. First, is we have x squared minus x minus y is equal to 1. And the second is x minus y is equal to 1. So we have here first the Cartesian plane. Okay. So as you can observe, we have here the linear and our graph. It intersects at the point ordered pairs 0, negative 1, and 2, 1, as you can see. Why is that so? So there is a question mark here. Why is that so? Why does our point intersect at 0, negative 1, and 2, 1? Okay, so we have here the given. X squared minus x minus y is equal to 1. This would become x is equal to 1 plus y, our second equation. So x minus y is equal to 1 would become, again, x is equal to 1 plus y. So x squared minus x minus y is equal to 1. Substitute the value of x, 1 plus y squared minus quantity 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 plus y squared, that would become 1 plus 2y plus y squared minus 1 minus y is equal to 1. Okay, do you follow? Very good. Questions? None so far. So 1 plus 2y plus y squared minus 1 minus 2y is equal to 1. Y squared is equal to 1. We are going to eliminate, yes, positive 2y and negative 2y. Why is that so? They are in opposite sign and they are in like terms. And also 1 and negative 1, that is equal to 0. So the remaining is y squared is equal to 1. For us to find the value of y, we are going to take the square root both sides. So square root of y squared is equal to square root of 1. The value of y is equal to positive negative 1. So we have here the second equation, which is x minus y is equal to 1. So substitute the value of y, that is 1. So x minus 1 equals 1. So x is equal to 1 plus 1. We are going to transfer by addition property of equality. So x is equal to 1 plus 1. That will become x is equal to 2. So the ordered pair is 2 and 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 1. Substitute the value of y to negative 1. So, diba, as you can remember, the value of our y is positive negative 1. So, first we substitute as the positive 1, but in this time, we are going to substitute the negative 1. So, x is equal to, so negative times negative 1, that is positive 1. So, x plus 1 is equal to 1. By addition property of equality, this will become x is equal to 1 minus 1. So, x is equal to 0. So, we have the ordered pair 0 and negative 1. Okay? So, questions, clarifications. None so far? Very good. So now, I will give you time. I will give you 15 minutes. You're going to write your answer in a one whole sheet of paper. This word problems. Okay? So I will give you 15 minutes. Finish. Okay? So you can pass your papers by column. The first element will hold the papers. And for your assignment, kindly answer pages 20, category A. What have I learned so far? A. In your book. And write it in your assignment notebook, and we will check it in our next meeting. Okay, so make your rows and columns straight. Everybody stand for our closing prayer. Okay, so thank you and goodbye, class.